Good morning. It's again time for our daily 2-minute Bible reading and thought. I'm going to read from Psalm 63, verses 5 through 7. Hear the word of the Lord. My mouth shall praise you with joyful lips when I remember you upon my bed and meditate on you in the night watches, for you have been my help. May the Lord add a blessing to the reading of the word. You know, the morning is a perfect time to get things right. And yet so many times it becomes a time that we begin our negative images for the day. The alarm goes off. Oh my gosh, I got to get up. I hate to get up. I don't want to get up. I don't want to go to work. All of a sudden we can flood ourselves with all the things we have to do for the day. And that's just not the time to start off that way. Negative energy just has a way to sap everything right out of us. And we should look at every waking moment, even the sound of the alarm clock, as an opportunity to say, you know what? This day is not a day that I begin going through a laundry list of all the negative things that is going to affect me today. So let me make a laundry list, a new one, of all the positive things that can happen, and give thanks to God that every new day is a day, an opportunity to get it right. May God bless us. Amen.